The format painter is an awesome feature in Microsoft Excel that everybody should know about. And if you're not using it, I encourage you to start using it now. If you look here at this range of cells right here, you notice that I have this box. It's a merge box, it's wrap text. There's a fill, a bold white, and then this cell right here is also merged, but it has white fill with an orange border. It would be a pain if I needed to do this. Let's say I wanted to find the amount of codes for Florida. I would have to go through and merge and then wrap text and click bold. There's a lot of steps that I'd have to do here to recreate this. But if I just use the format painter, I can do this in a couple of clicks. So let me go ahead and click this here. Notice I've selected that range. I'm on the Home tab. It's in the clipboard group, and it's right underneath some of the most common used things, cut and copy. If I select this format painter, notice that you have the little marquee scrolling around the cells. Lets me know that is selected. And watch what happens when I click here. Bam. I don't have to do anything special. I don't have to go and recreate everything. It does it for me. Let me go ahead and show you another part of the format feature that I don't think a lot of people know about. So I'm going to go ahead and select this line for 239 Florida. With that selected, I'm not going to click once. I'm going to click twice on the format painter. And this time I'm going to go ahead and select Alabama. And if you look at my cursor, you can see it's still trying to copy the format. And it's because I double click. So now I have the ability to just keep clicking through this list to all the different area codes that I want it to apply to. And when I'm done, I can hit the escape key, or I can just click off the format painter.